We are here at 210 Dryden Road. We're at the end of the hallway. I wanted to show you the proximity of the kitchen, the shared kitchen, and the shared bathrooms. There's one bathroom over there. Here's the second bathroom. And here is room 25. I've got the door ajar already. Let's go on in and take a look. So room 25 is a corner room. We've got great light, windows in in two directions, north and west. This one has one of the larger closets here on the floor, so it does go pretty far back. So we've got great storage space for you. Furnishings will be a bookshelf, a fridge, a desk and chair, dresser, and a full-size bed. This is a 3-floor house. There are rooms available on the second and third floors. You have your own private bedroom and share a kitchen and bath with the other students on the floor. There's a kitchen and 2 bathrooms on each of the second and third floors. So we're located at 210 Dryden Road here in Central Collegetown, half a block up from College in Dryden, and from there we're located just 1 block to campus.